Hi foodie friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making my favorite go-to vanilla cake recipe. It is so yummy, so easy to make, so soft and so moist. You are going to love it. While we get started on this recipe, all of the ingredients are going to be displayed on the screen like that, but I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support that you've shown me on my channel and videos so far. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Also, if you are on Instagram, give me a follow at Nicole Charmaine. Send me a DM so that we can be friends. I post a lot of recipes on Instagram as well as some yummy food photos. Also, I asked my Instagram followers what I should make next in my next YouTube video, so if you'd like to be part of the next poll, go ahead and give me a follow. Alrighty, so let's get back into this video. So to our blended butter and sugar mixture, we are going to be adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then we're going to continue mixing with our hand mixer until it's incorporated. To our mixture, we are going to be adding in 4 eggs. Make sure they are at room temperature, and we are going to be adding them one at a time. So every time you add 1 egg, go ahead and continue to mix that batter until the egg is incorporated, and then repeat with the next egg. Once you've added in all your eggs, you'll notice that your mixture will be very runny. Now set this off to the side, and in a separate bowl you're going to take 2 3/4 cups of cake flour, 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and you're going to mix that all together. Once mixed, it's time to add in the dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. The batter will be very dry and thick at this point, so what we're going to do is add 1 cup of milk into the batter. And then we mix. Now that our batter is complete, I am going to be taking an 8 by 11.5 inch dish. I'm going to grease it and also add in some parchment paper. Now pour the batter evenly into your baking dish. Now we are going to bake this cake for 35 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or until a toothpick comes out clean. To start our buttercream, we are going to need 1.5 cups of softened unsalted butter, and we are going to give this a good mix. To the butter, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to continue mixing. Next, we are going to add in 6 tablespoons of heavy cream and continue mixing. Once the mixture looks a little bit like scrambled eggs, we are going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now for the fun part, we're going to add in 5.5 cups of powdered sugar. But if you've ever worked with powdered sugar before, it's super important to add this into your mixture gradually so you don't end up with powdered sugar all over your kitchen and you'll be cleaning for the next 3 days. Once all your powdered sugar has been mixed in, your vanilla buttercream is officially done. So once your cake is out of the oven, this is what it should look like. Just remember to leave it to cool for at least 15 minutes before icing. So this is where you have complete creative freedom on how you'd like to ice your cake. In this video, I am just placing icing on the top, but feel free to ice the entire cake. Also, I just wanted to let you know that in this video, we are making a sheet cake, but using this recipe, you can also make 3 8-inch rounds, and you can totally stack the cake as well. So this step is completely optional, but I am adding rainbow sprinkles to the top of my cake because I think it looks so fun and so pretty. Now for the best part, it is time to slice and enjoy. If you guys enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave me a comment down below if you have any suggestions on what I should make next, and check out some of my other videos where I make some super yummy stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.